Peking duckling, Peking duckling.
There's a duck you gotta know in the town of Hilly Hole. He likes to do things his own way.
Come on, friends, let's seize the day.
Silly duck.
Peking duckling.
This is Wombat, she's real smart.
Look, I made a work of art.
Chumpkins is a techie pig.
Computers, yeah, I like them big.
Peking duckling, Peking duckling.
Check it out, the hilly pad, the helicopter's really rad.
Let's fly to space.
Sail the sea.
Careful, dude, there's a tree.
Thanks. Whoa.
Aww.
You guys are awesome. The dogfish. Life sure is wonderful. The sun shining on our faces, the gentle breeze blowing through our feathers,
I don't have feathers.
and my bestest buddy by my side.
Aw, thanks, Peking.
Yes, sir. I could not ask for anything more in the whole wide world.
Go get Daddy the stick. Good boy.
I want a dog! My life is so empty.
Oh, Bubbles, you're the best goldfish ever.
No, wait. Maybe I should get a fish. No, a dog. Oh, wait. Oh, why can't life ever be simple?
There, Peking. Maybe there is one animal that is kind of like a dog and kind of like a fish?
You mean like some sort of a fish dog? That's a great idea. We'll combine a fish and a dog. And I bet Chumpkins will know how to attach them.
That's not quite what I meant.
Careful, careful, careful!
Chumpkins, I need you to create for me a half fish, half dog. A fish dog.
What? A fish dog?
Please, Jumpy old pal.
I'm afraid that such a request is beyond even my amazing abilities.
But you made the world's largest toothpick.
I was young. But I do recall watching a documentary and... Oh yes, here it is. The rare Siberian Dogfish.
Close enough. I'll take it.
Let's see. Ah, they have one at Earl's Fish, Sofa and Noodle Emporium.
Talk about diversification.
Peking, owning a pet is a big responsibility.
Wombat, when have I ever not been responsible? Whoopsie. That wasn't irresponsibility. That was merely carelessness.
Point taken.
Sorry, Chumpkins.
There goes my weekend. Okay, let's order the dogfish. Speedy delivery.
I can't wait that long. Do super duper speedy delivery.
All right.
It's here! It's here!
How is that even possible?
Got me.
How's your new dogfish?
You mean Barky Bark Bark Blub?
Why do you call him that?
Wait for it.
Impressive.
I know, right? And watch this.
That's wonderful, Peking. But owning a pet is more than just fun and games.
It is.
Yes, you have to feed him.
Feed him? You mean like food?
Of course. And you need to exercise him and clean his tank and...
That tickles.
Peking, are you listening to me?
Yeah, I need to feed him.
And all the other stuff, too. Here, Chumpkins printed this out. The care and feeding of a dogfish.
Okay. Come on, Barky Bark Bark Blub. Let's go to the park. Bye, Wombat. This is the life, Barky Bark Bark Blub. I cannot believe Wombat thought I would not be a responsible pet owner. What's that? You want something? Wombat said I needed to give him something. What was it? Oh, yes, food. I, the most responsible pet owner ever, will give you some food. Geez, You do like food. What should we do now? Riding a roller coaster with my pet dogfish. Be still, my beating heart. What? You want more food? Whoa!
Goodbye, Carl. Goodbye. In this crazy, mixed-up world, the one thing we'll always have is our love.
What's wrong, Barky? Still hungry? Shh! Sorry. Feed. Responsible. Feed. Morning, Barky. This is not good. I don't understand what happened. I'm being such a responsible pet owner. Maybe I'm not giving him enough food. Barky Bark Bark Club! No! Must be responsible. Must feed fish more. Hi! What are my two bestest friends doing here on this, normal day where nothing out of the ordinary is happening?
We just wanted to check on you and your dogfish.
Peking, why do you have a diving mask on?
Oh, this? Because it's National Wear Scuba Diving Equipment in Your House Day. Of course.
And why is that helicopter hovering above your house?
Oh, dogfish food delivery. Naturally. He's a hungry fella. Just pump it through the chimney.
Are you sure you're okay?
Never been better. Or more responsible. I gotta go. Bye.
That's very strange.
What is?
National Wear Scuba Diving Equipment in Your House Day was last week.
You don't say.
Not right now. My arms are tired. I think he might be too big.
Can I have a turn, Chumpkins?
Sure, when pigs fly.
How about when giant dogfish fly?
What has he done?
I don't know. Let's go!
Well, Barky Bark Bark Club, this is it. We had some great times together. Eating, riding roller coasters, eating, more eating. I'll miss you too. But I don't have any room for you anymore. Soon, you'll have this big wide ocean to explore and eat.
Oh my goodness.
Is that your dogfish? Where does...
Allow me. How'd he get so big?
By constantly growing?
Didn't you read the printout I gave you, Peking?
Of your memoir? Living in the shadow of a duck? Oh, I'll get to it.
No, the care and feeding of a dogfish. It's the list Chumpkins printed that explains how to care for your dogfish.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Here, I printed a backup.
Step 1, do not overfeed. Step 2, exercise daily. Step 3, seriously, do not overfeed. Oh no, I think I may have overfed Barky Bark Bark Blub. And now he's so big, I have to free him into the ocean. And I'll never see him again.
Poor kid.
It says here, in the event of overfeeding, just exercise your dogfish and he will return to normal size.
Does that mean I can keep him?
Yes, Peking, but it will take hard work and lots of exercise.
Did you hear that, Barky Bark Bark Blub? I get to keep you. But first, let's burn some calories, beast.
Feel that burn.
Come on, Barky Bark Bark. Wow, it really worked. Thank you both so much for exercising my dogfish.
Our pleasure.
Yes, and Barky is back to his original healthy size.
What a week, hey, Barky Bark Bark Blub? You know, in this crazy, mixed-up world, the one thing we'll always have is our love. Barky Bark Bark. Aww. Just checking.
Well, he don't fly and he don't quack. He hangs with a pig and a cute wombat. They like to take a stroll in the town of Hilly Hole. They fly the helicopter, yeah, the suckers on a roll.